Recently, I've noticed my gas pedal is a little loose, so today I looked, and this is what I found. This truck has been running so long and it's so reliable that my gas pedal fell off. And that's the reliability of a Toyota. I guess that's why people love them so much. You can drive the thing till your gas pedal falls off, basically, and still keep going. So for now, I'll slip it back in. It's like a good spot. Maybe that'll last another 20 years. Another great thing about this old truck is if you want to check your tire tread, just peel up the floorboard a little bit and take a peek at your tire right there.